So we back at it again with angle kits. So a couple videos ago, I put on the Megan lower ball joint short knuckles, and for what it was, I think it was good. For $100, they do very well for getting you the angle that you need and that you want. I thought I should take it a step ahead to get the Xcessive manufacturing angle kit, the standard. Let's see what I got here. So pretty much this is the standard kit right here. It comes with two of them. The standard Ackerman kit, which is perfect. Comes with two of them. And I'm hoping that these don't give me the same angle that those does. Because I don't really care about the roll center correction. I just hope that these feel and give me a little more angle than those does with the GS300 outers. So for reference, we're going to do a before and after. So before, with the Megan knuckles, it is, let's turn this on. Let's go all the way over. I think that's full lock. So with the Megan knuckles, I'm about right there. Might be a little harder to see. About right there. Let's go to the trailing side. So I should get more. So let's see. So of course you already know the usual. We're gonna turn the car off. Well, put the wheel back straight as we can get it. We're gonna turn the car off, put the wheel straight, jack it up, take off the wheel, take out the lower ball joint, yada yada yada. I'll show you again. Alright, so yep, it's the same shit, different day. You wanna take off that tie rod in, which is a 19 or 17, I believe. And then we're gonna take off that bolt right there, which is a 22. And then those 17s that are right here, well, mine are Torx right there, if you can see it. And then that's it, that's all you need. Pull it up, get the shit out the way, call it a day. So I did it this way. You don't have to do it this way, but to make it easier to get to this right here, you could always just take out the 14mm that's here and just flip it up and pull it out to get to this, I'm sorry. And then I just undid these two, since I'm just changing that. Then I got one of these, the tie rod in puller, and it's gonna go directly over that and pull them both down and pull the ball joint up. That way I don't gotta hit nothing with a hammer. Tie the fucking threads. Alright, so once it's all gone, and for educational purposes, this is, let me zoom out, boom, that, and this is the driver's side, right? The driver's side goes like this. I'm gonna put it the same way, like that. Now let's zoom in, the same way, boom. I'll line them up. And as we can see, it is a hair shorter, roughly. Let's go there. A little bit. So you should get more angle out of these. You should. Which means that I'm probably gonna have to adjust the tie rods a little bit more, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna try to do this all with one hand. So find your tie rod end that is for, not your tie rod, your ball joint that is for the left hand side. And I believe it's this one, if I'm not mistaken. But you can always do it just in case to check. And I believe this is the driver's side. Yes. And this one is the passenger side. Yep, passenger, driver. Boom. All right, so when it's back on, you want to tighten up these two. 1, 2, and then this one right here. And then put back on your tie rod in and see exactly where it needs to sort of go. I think I moved it, but we'll see. We'll get the wheel straight And then do the same for the other side. Torque these to spec. Xcessive will have the torque specs for you. I believe it's like 78, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely torque these. These are important to torque. And just remember that when you do this, it's going to bring your rod height down. So you're going to have to adjust your coilovers up. See, I got them Rev 9s. Alright, so I'm done. Took about like 30 minutes. I still have to adjust the toe a little bit. It's not too bad, but the wheel is straight and the wheels are poking outward. Looks like more on this side, but let's see the angle. I'll probably do like a little side-by-side thing, but let's see. Huh. That's wild. Oh, damn. It made me hit back there. What the fuck? I never seen that. Huh. That's crazy. Let's double check. So, I'm not entirely sure if it like gives you like more negative caster. I'm not sure, but it looked like it gave me more positive caster versus pushing the wheel up. I feel like it pushed it back because I wasn't hitting this before. Even before full lock, like it doesn't even have to be all the way and it'll hit. So I had to sort of force it. But yeah, you hear it? Now I'm stuck. Versus, oop, that's wild. But for the sake of it, let's get all the angle. Let's see. Let's see what we got. So that's the angle that I got. I feel like it's not really much of a difference. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Let me go drive it and see what happens. Alright, so I pretty much figured out that I have issues with my lower control arm. It is bent backwards. So it's causing me to hit on the not firewall, but the wheel well. But when you do get angle kits, you do have to bang that in. That is very crucial. From here to Japan, they do the same thing. Let me show you. There we go. See how I got that thing then? If it clears up, boom. You have to do that on both sides. Just bang in that tab right there. Otherwise, your wheel will hit it unless you have caster arms for the clearance. Most of the time, people don't run caster arms with these. But I do think it's a little bit more angle from the Megans. So let's double check. And of course you're going to get more when you're steering. But there we go. I'd like to think so. Trailing wheel. I think so. So that's it for this video. Until I do something else. Maybe lower control arms, extend it, and a tie rod. We'll call it a day. Peace.